Going on adventures are always fun. It was a warm evening and we were heading towards Anawilundawa. The journey was very pleasant, seeing many things on the way. Talking about this wetland sanctuary, it spans over an area of 1,397 hectares. This RAMSAR wetland is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. We were greeted by the sight of many birds who were interesting to watch. Eurasian coots were a common sight, swimming on the water's surface. Walking along the dirt tracks beside the lake was an amazing feeling. More than 150 species of birds have been recorded here, which is quite surprising. These dragonflies were an amazing sight. The paddy fields on the opposite side of the lake were also in action. We observed these purple swamp hens feeding in the paddy fields. The surrounding was silent except for the rustle of the trees, calls of birds and the temple. It was getting dark, so we had to turn back. What made this place so special was that nature was able to live together with people. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.